Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting in the app. Open iMovie and load the project you intend to export. Make sure your iPhone has enough free storage. Insufficient space will stop the export. Once your clips are assembled, scrub the timeline to verify cuts, transitions, and audio levels. Tap the Share button at the top or bottom of the screen to begin export. This is the first actionable step. When the share sheet opens, choose Save Video, so iMovie prepares the export presets you'll adjust next. Now choose the export resolution, 360p up to 4K based on your delivery needs. 1080p is a good balance for most viewers. Remember, higher resolution equals larger files and longer render time, so plan for battery and time. After selecting quality, iMovie begins rendering. Don't close the app or lock the screen if possible, because rendering can pause. Once rendering finishes, iMovie saves a MOV file to Photos. That's your local copy, and then you'll often get a MOV from iMovie. To make an Mp4, use shortcuts with the Encode Media action or a converter app like VLC. In Shortcuts, add Encode Media, set format to H. 264, Mp4, pick resolution and bitrate, then run the shortcut on the saved video. This preserves compatibility across platforms. If the conversion fails, free up storage, reboot the iPhone, and re-render in iMovie before converting again. That single troubleshooting tip resolves most export and conversion issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.